Meet the world's most famous crispy hollow ball, the Pani Puri. To the rest of the world, it's a mystery, but here in the factory, it's a high-speed engineering marvel. It all starts with a mountain of semolina and flour. We don't just mix it, we massage it in these giant industrial mixers until the dough is tougher than your gym trainer's workout plan. Why so tough? Because this dough needs to survive the rolling shredder. Watch as these heavy-duty rollers flatten the dough into a sheet so thin you could almost read a newspaper through it. But don't blink, here comes the magic. Thousands of precision circular cutters punch out perfect discs at lightning speed. It looks like a rain of tiny dough pancakes, but in a few minutes, these flat discs are going to pull off the greatest puffing act in food history. Now it's time for the ultimate baptism. These thousands of tiny dough discs are heading straight into a river of sizzling hot oil. But wait, how does a flat pancake turn into a perfect hollow ball? It's not magic, it's thermodynamics, baby. The high heat instantly turns the moisture inside the dough into steam. Since there's nowhere for the steam to go, it pushes the dough outward, creating a perfect air pocket. Watch this. As they hit the oil, they pop up like golden popcorn. Within seconds, they go from flat to fat. Our industrial fryers ensure every single puri gets the same golden tan. If they were any more tanned, they'd be on a beach in Florida. It's a 360-degree crunch, and it happens faster than you can say Golgappa. After the hot oil bath, these golden globes head to the ultimate test, the quality gauntlet. You see, in the world of Pani Puri, there's no room for flat earthers. If a puri fails to puff up, it's out. High-speed vibration belts and optical sensors act like bouncers at a club. If you're not round and crunchy, you're not getting in. A precise blast of air knocks the flat ones off the line. Sorry, buddy, better luck next life. Finally, they are laser counted and dropped into massive moisture-proof bags. Why nitrogen? Because we want that crunch to be heard 3 blocks away when the customer finally bites into it. Thousands of bags, millions of calories, and one global obsession. From a dusty dough mixer to a perfectly engineered snack. Now that's what we call a baller move.